Welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of candida overgrowth and how to naturally treat it with dietary changes. But first, let's understand what candida is, what causes it, and its common symptoms. Candida is a type of yeast or fungus that naturally resides in our gut and other areas of the body. In small amounts, candida is harmless. However, when its growth goes unchecked, it can lead to candida overgrowth or candidiasis. The overgrowth is typically caused by a combination of factors such as number 1, diet high in sugar and carbohydrates. A diet rich in refined sugars and carbohydrates can feed candida, promoting its growth. Number 2, antibiotics and medications. Frequent use of antibiotics and certain medications can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, allowing candida to thrive. Number 3, weakened immune system. A weakened immune system may fail to control candida, leading to overgrowth. Number 4, stress. Chronic stress can impact our gut health, creating an environment favorable for candida growth. Common symptoms of candida overgrowth include number 1, digestive issues. Gas, bloating, diarrhea, or constipation may be signs of candida overgrowth. Number 2, oral thrush. White, creamy patches in the mouth and throat could indicate candidiasis. Number 3, recurring yeast infections. Women may experience frequent yeast infections. Number 4, fatigue. Chronic fatigue or brain fog might be associated with candida overgrowth. Now that we have a better understanding of candida, let's explore how we can treat candida overgrowth naturally. Number 1, avoid sugar. First and foremost, avoiding sugar tops the list, especially processed sugar. Candida feeds on sugar, and when we consume a diet high in sugar and sweeteners, we create an environment that allows candida to thrive and multiply rapidly. Now that we understand the link between sugar and candida, let's explore some strategies to reduce our sugar intake. Some tips. Number 1, read labels. Be mindful of hidden sugars in packaged foods. Look for ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, and dextrose. Number 2, limit sugary treats. Cut back on sugary treats like candies, cakes, and cookies. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits. Number 3, reduce sugary beverages. Soft drinks, fruit juices, and sweetened teas can be packed with sugar. Choose water, herbal teas, or infused water instead. Avoiding sugar doesn't mean you have to give up on sweetness altogether. You may wish to use stevia, as stevia is a natural sweetener derived from the leaves of the stevia plant. It has no calories and does not impact blood sugar levels. Number 2, avoid acidity. Acidity in the body can create an environment that encourages candida growth. Candida is a type of yeast that naturally resides in the gastrointestinal tract, but when its levels become imbalanced, it can lead to candida overgrowth. Several factors can contribute to this imbalance, and acidity is one of them. Besides avoiding sugar that creates acidity in the body, other foods that may create acidity in the body includes caffeine, dairy products, meat, processed foods, and alcohol. Avoiding these foods can contribute to a healthier pH balance and help prevent candida overgrowth. Number 3, spleen. Did you know that the spleen has been considered vital for candida treatment since ancient China? In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, the spleen is regarded as a key organ responsible for digestion and immune system support. It is believed that a weak spleen can lead to dampness and excess mucus in the body, creating an environment where candida thrives. So, you may be asking, how does taking care of the spleen relate to candida treatment? According to traditional Chinese medicine, strengthening the spleen can lead to a balanced internal environment and support a healthier immune response. A healthy spleen can improve digestion and nutrient assimilation, which helps prevent conditions that promote candida overgrowth. Now that we understand the importance of the spleen, let's explore some spleen-loving foods that can support our overall health and candida treatment. Number 1, brown rice. Rich in fiber and nutrients, brown rice is considered spleen-friendly as it supports digestion and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Number 2, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are easily digested and provide a good source of complex carbohydrates, which are beneficial for the spleen. Number 3, ginger. Known for its warming properties, ginger can help invigorate the spleen and improve digestive function. Number 4, cinnamon. Cinnamon has been used in TCM to strengthen the spleen and aid in digestion. Number 5. Turmeric. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can benefit the spleen and overall immune health. Number 6. Oats. Oats are gentle on the digestive system and can help nourish the spleen. Number 7. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes that aid digestion and support spleen function. Besides the above spleen-loving foods, it is important to cook our foods gently, like steaming and boiling them, instead of frying them, as that will be better for the spleen. In addition, avoid cold drinks and take more warm beverages, as cold drinks can affect the spleen too. Number 4. Probiotics. Probiotics can play a crucial role in restoring gut health and keeping candida in check. So, how can probiotics help with candida overgrowth? Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy balance of microorganisms in the gut. They can help crowd out harmful yeast like candida and support a strong immune system. By restoring gut health, probiotics can contribute to reducing candida overgrowth. We can eat more fermented foods that are rich in probiotics, such as kimchi, sauerkraut, and miso soup. Otherwise, consider supplementing with a high-quality probiotic supplement. Do check out my playlist of probiotics videos to learn more. Number 5. Essential oils. Essential oils can also play a role in supporting candida treatment, particularly those with antifungal properties. Here are a few options to consider. Number 1. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is a popular essential oil with antifungal properties. It contains compounds like terpinane-4-ol that have been shown to be effective against candida. It can help inhibit the growth of candida and reduce its ability to adhere to surfaces, making it a valuable ally in combating candida overgrowth. Number 2. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is another powerful essential oil with antifungal properties. It contains carvacrol and thymol, two potent antifungal compounds. Studies have shown that oregano oil can be effective in reducing candida overgrowth and supporting a balanced gut environment. Number 3. Lavender oil. Last but not least, lavender oil contains antifungal compounds like linalool, which can help combat candida overgrowth. Additionally, its soothing properties can aid in reducing inflammation and discomfort caused by candida-related issues. Do you experience any signs of candida? Comment below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more information on health tips and more. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.